Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride our 1962 Ford F100 custom pickup truck. Now as you can see, this thing is a beast. I don't even have it in third gear yet, but she already wants to fly. As you can see, starting off with, I'd like to say more of a white, maybe even a cream exterior. As you do see, it has a brown top with a green little pinstripe coming down the windows. Other than that, you see it has the 5-spoke performance style wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Still have those nice little small mirrors that you always try to see out, but you can't see anyway. Other than that, it is a single cab truck with the short bed step side, so if you ever want to throw some friends in the back, that'd be a perfect event to do so. As we move on to the interior now, as you can see, it is a 5-speed manual. Other than that, you can see the interior has been well customized. As you can see, the nice little interior on the roof's been done, the door panels have been done. You've got the nice tilt column with the performance wheel, aftermarket style cluster gauges. As you see, they also customized the cluster as well, featuring a push button start, a brake, wipers, cigarette charger. You even have your Kenwood audio system there. Other than that, you have the vintage air controls right here with the customized vents. Now what's really nice about this truck is we actually have a binder of the restoration, which is right here where the gentleman's arm is, and it tells you basically pictures of what it had, what was purchased for it. They're pretty much what you want to have when you buy a personalized truck like this. But anyways, we move underneath the hood, featuring the 427 big block motor. Basically, you want to drive like Ford versus Ferrari. This is the truck. And right now, I'm going to open up just a little bit. Of course, this is a private consignment vehicle, so we want to show our utmost respect for the truck. But of course, this is a truck that you could drive cross country, maybe even on Route 66. This is definitely the one to do so in. But right now, we are going about 50 miles an hour. The RPMs are just about right. And right now, as you can see, the wheel's not shaking. She's driving perfectly as she could. Other than that, the way she looks out there in the sunlight definitely grabs the attention of others. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the hoist, so please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.